The Simla Deputation. Follow my YouTube channel. Emotion by Design, Sir Zahid Hussain. Question number 1. Which act introduced the principles of representation and election in India?
Indian Council Ease Act 1892.
2. When Lord Minto came into India as Viceroy?
1905.
3. What was the duration of reign of Lord Minto in subcontinent?
1905-1910.
4. The Muslim leader drew up a plan of separate electorates for their community and presented it to Viceroy.
Lord Minto.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Emotion by Design, Sir Zahid Hussain. 5. Where Muslim leader presented plan of separate electorates for their community to Viceroy of Lord Minto.
Simla.
6. How many Muslim leader participated in Simla deputation?
35.
7. When turning point in the early phase of the Muslim political movement came?
1905. Subscribe my YouTube channel.
Emotion by Design, Sir Zahid Hussain.
The All India Muslim League.
8. When annual session of All India Muslim League Educational Conference was held?
1906.
9. Where annual session of All India Muslim Educational Conference was held? Dhaka. 10. Who presided over the Muslim League Educational Conference?
Sir Aga Khan.
Who had circulated an idea of the political organization known as All India Muslim Confederacy? Answer is Nawab Salim Olive. Dhaka.